What are you doing?
Right, can you see?
From, to John. Okay.
Thank you, darling. It's so kind of you. What's the special occasion? Is it just out of love? Oh.
Come on.
See, she's so kind to
That
us.
chocolate, we got that from Christmas. I got that from
You're not supposed to tell anybody. You're supposed to do it as a romantic gesture.
Okay. Look, what happened to your forehead again?
I had a bit of a crash yesterday.
You need to be careful.
It's not that, darling. The jobs I was doing yesterday, on the old body shell of the Range Rover, there's so much corrosion and sharp, jagged edges, and I was trying to get it out of it on. I just went down, and I come back up, boom, got me. It was so easily done. It was just so bad.
You need to have a head protector.
I can smell them. Oh. Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Open it.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa.
Oh.
What do you think, darling?
What would you like? Pick
Where's
one.
coffee?
Pick one.
Truffle heart.
I want one,
What's the
please.
stripy one? Salted caramel.
That's it. Supposedly this chocolate is for my family when we go Philippines, but then we're not going anywhere. We'll water our strawberry and raspberry.
You see, you put your big wellies on with no socks. Use your socks, look.
I know. I will put.
Well, not very good without socks now.
Yeah, I'm putting my socks on.
On the key. God, my clothes full of pain, aren't
Been doing something.
they?
Kailangan din nating kunin yung mga sinampay natin.
Sexy wellies.
Yeah, you like my willies.
I'll couple pipe up for you, darling.
Thank you. Some of you were asking kung bakit ko daw sinasampay yung clothes namin sa labas. Sinasampay namin kasi maganda yung weather, and probably some of you know that we don't have a dryer. So now you know na wala kaming dryer. So pag winter, nagsasampay kami sa loob, pero natutuyo yung mga sinasampay namin sa loob pag winter kasi may heating. At kung ganito na mainit sa labas, maganda yung panahon like summer, yung heating namin hindi siya nagtuturn on, and so pag nagsasampay ako sa loob, yung mga clothes,
we don't need a dryer because they're not green. You've got the wind that blows your clothes dry in summer, and we have the heating on in the house, so it dries the clothes on the clothes mate. So why waste money on a dryer when it's not green and environmentally friendly? Plus, your clothes last half the time because it takes the fluff out of them.
some people were asking, how about winter? How do you dry your clothes?
Well, darling,
Explain them in English.
we have clothes made. What we do a load of washing, put it on. It's next to the radiator. Within 24 hours, completely dry. Next by the time that's dry, we're ready for the next one. So it's that simple.
Yeah, so that's it. So pag summer, nagsasampay kami sa labas kasi yung heater namin hindi siya nagtuturn on. At kung nagsasampay ka sa loob at pag summer, yung sinampay mo hindi siya matutuyo. It's just going smelly. John said that the water is on, so ito turn on na lang natin doon kasi yung main water nandoon. Yan. So naka-turn on na daw. Let's see kung may mga flower ba na lumalabas, or is it too early for them to have a flower? Ito yung old strawberry bed. And as you can see, this is our new bed. Yeah, I'm really sure that they look happy. Kunin na natin to. Itong dinidiligan ko ngayon mga palangga, buhay siya kasi meron ako nakikitang new stem. Ito, I'm not so sure, walang sign na may new stem. Pero itong pinakamaliit na raspberry natin, surviving, buhay talaga siya. Ibalik na natin tong host dito sa sa fence. Meron akong papakita sa inyo mamaya sa greenhouse natin. So in our greenhouse, we have leek, and yung leek natin, napansin ni Mr. kanina na meron na siyang seeds and bumubuka na siya. So ito yung leek. Sa mga nagtatanong pala kung ano yung leek, para lang siyang spring onions, pero mas malaki siya sa spring onions. Yan. And ito yung seeds niya. Yan. Ito mga seeds na yan, magiging leek yan. So, marami na tayong leek pag ganoon ready na sila. I don't think this is ready. I'm not sure. This is my first time, really. We're all learning. Diba, Pipa? Yeah? And Phoebe? So, si Phoebe pala, she is 12 years old. Si Pipa, mga 10 or 11 ata. Titingnan namin sa birth certificate nila. Yes, yung aso nila dito may birth certificate. So, titingnan namin kung kailan sila pinanganak. Update din pala sa ating kamatis. Sabi ni Mr. definitely they are tomatoes. Yeah, there are tomatoes growing. Ayan. So, kailangan namin silang i-pick out kung ano yung or kung sino yung pinaka-healthy. Yan, oh, dito, oh. Meron din ditong group na tumubo. Yan. Kasi last year, nag-iwan talaga kami ng maraming kamatis. So, happy ako kasi marami yung tumubo. At yung sa seed box natin, meron ng 3 tumutubo na kamatis. Sa ating strawberry box, yung sinabi ko sa inyo na may tumutubo, I am convinced na weed yun, pero hindi ko siya tatanggalin muna kasi unsure ako. Hindi ko din alam kung weed ba or strawberry. So, let's see na lang. Punta tayo dito sa workshop kung anong ginagawa ni Mr. What are you doing now?
Yeah, just chopping the plastic off these handles.
What are these?
There for the door,
For the door?
For the going top of the doors, and you have your window in here. You know,
I see.
Down, so repaired them and
So you've been busy, huh?
Yeah.
What are these for?
They're windows.
Dalawa.
The window going there.
Ah, this one here?
Not window, yeah.
It's black. Oh.
Oh, it's glass. No,
It's a glass. I see. Okay. So, ito yung ginagawa niya. Ito yung kinabibisihan ni Mr. Yan, yung Range Rover.
All the little bits now are coming together, you see. I'm just prepare all these door handles and get them done, and then you see that there's a glass. It's got plastic coating on it, you see, and I don't want it. I don't like it because the problem with plastic coating is it does that. It gets water underneath it eventually, and it comes off. If you
Why do you have a plastic coating?
why? It's called powder coating. That's what it actually is called. It's put on electronically, and it gets baked on. It's all right when it's new, but over a period of time and years, the moisture gets underneath it, and it does that. It corrodes the thing underwear underneath. So,
Okay, so what are you doing
I'm just
to do with that? Are you just leaving this as it is,
no,
or?
See, them have been blasted. Yeah, so I'll sand them down.
So they look like
They were black, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
But,
Then they've been blasted.
These were so bad, most of it had come off, you see. That one had. So,
Yeah.
and then I'll just put them into, I'll paint them black, you see, with a hard paint, and they'll be good. The amount it will get used now, it's not like it's going to be used daily, is it, you know, so they don't wear basically, so. You know, it's just, you see how water gets under it from the edges, you see. So, see. And it starts to corrode it underneath.
I can see it.
It's a pain. It might be alright when it's new, but as the time passes,
We're here outside the workshop. We're just waiting for Mr. He's finishing what he's doing. Pipa. Yes, Phoebe. Pipa. Gusto niya akong ilik. Ayaw kong magpalik sa mukha. Honey, we have a pheasant right here. Wandering about. Hello! Good afternoon mga palangga. So, pauwi na ako. Tapos na ako sa aking trabaho. So, 8 hours lang ako. 7:30 to 3:30. So, bang ganda ng panahon. 17 degrees. Bihira lang dito ang 17 degrees. Kaya kung ganito, enjoy mo na yung sun. Enjoy mo na yung weather. Mister is outside. Tingnan nyo. There he is.
hello, princess.
Hello. I got you something. Easter egg.
Malteser.
I got that from work.
Has it been wiped?
It's been wiped, sweetheart.
Okay. How come you're so late?
Well, because I have to wait for the staff room.
Have you wiped it enough?
I did wipe it, but because I've touched it, so you need to wipe it again. So, magsha-shower lang ako mga palangga, and babalikan ko kayo mamaya, okay?
No pastis.
Yeah, pastis. So, tapos ako maligo.
Where's my pastis?
Sinabihan ko si Mr. na, I'm going to shower, can you do the tea? Sabi niya, you can do the tea.
You can just, so you told me we've got pastis. Where are they, darling? Oh!
There! We got plenty of pastis, sweet.
Don't panic. Don't please.
Yes, please. So I'm having, no, I'm fine, thank you. I'm having salmon tonight, peas and carrots. No, I don't want fries. I'm just having peas. So for my salmon, ang ilalagay ko sa salmon ko is this one. We got this in Oriental shop, lemon pepper salt. I love this for my salmon. And ito lang, peas, carrots, yun lang yung tea ko. So, dinamihan ko yung peas and carrots because later on, I will be hungry if I only have salmon. So, ito na yung tea ko. Mr. is having pasty and fries.
I don't like salmon.
He doesn't like
I
salmon.
only like some white fish.
There you go.
What I don't like is this stuff. Is this?
It's nice.
It makes me like.
Don't be picky. It's nice. Salmon is nice.
What?
I want to check their certificate for FIFA and Phoebe.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Parents. Yeah.
Ah, so
Grandparents.
it shows as well the family history.
Oh yeah, right. The way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 generations.
Oh, I
That's
see.
her kennel club.
So, ito yung pedigree certificate ni Phoebe. Pinanganak si Phoebe 10th of February 2008. Yung breed niya is Spaniel English Springer. And sa pedigree certificate, meron din silang history. Yan. Para lang siyang birth certificate, diba, kung tao.
Well,
Yeah.
Pippa was September 09.
09. So, I see. So Pipa is 11 years old as well.
Oh, 11, yeah.
Yeah.
That's her.
So, si
That's
Pipa,
her name.
Sutton Spring
Orinoco.
Orinoco. Ah. So, si Pipa at si PB, 1 year gap lang sila. Kasi,
It's not a year, is it?
well, let's say
Mostly.
for a year.
It's more, isn't it?
Yeah. So, 2008 pinanganak si Phoebe,
February.
then si Pipa 2009.
So that's 1 year.
So, yun.
There's 18 months in them, that's why there's a big difference.
18 months difference. So, yun. Yun yung pedigree certificate nila. Yung babaeng aso, they call them bitch. What is the male han?
Dog.
Dog. Just dog. Yan kasi nilalagay din nila yung sex. Ano pa ba? Dog owner. Yeah, yung sex. Basta babae yung aso. Bitch yung tinatawag nila. Yan. So, yun. Thank you, Han. Yun yung, ano nila, history. Na-discourage ako mga palangga. Kasi, yung tutor ko, nakatanggap ako ng feedback sa tutor ko about sa last work na sinadmit ko. And kailangan siyang i-resubmit ko kasi not good enough daw. So, ang inaalala ko kasi pag second submission na siya, yung tendency talaga hindi mo makukuha yung top grade. I'm a bit disappointed, Han. Because the last work I have submitted, I have to redo it again.
Why?
Not good enough.
Told you. Need to concentrate.
I did. I did try my very, very, very best.
Really? I just wonder.
But my best is not enough.
No, it wasn't good enough.
Dito ko na i-end yung vlog mga palangga. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I-end ko na kasi sobrang dami ko pang gagawin at medyo stress na rin ako kasi yun na nga, kailangan ko pang i-resubmit yung paper ko. Nag-effort pa naman ako ng bonggang-bongga doon sa aking unit kasi sa unit na yan, they are requiring you to have 2,500 words. It doesn't sound a lot, but then if you don't know what to answer, that is a lot. Nag-effort talaga ako just to get that 2,500 words. But then, yung effort at yung best ko is not enough. So, alam nyo ba, gusto ko nang mag-give up pero pinipilit ko, kinakaya ko kasi ang minomotivate ko na lang sa sarili ko is kung bakit ako nagsimula nito. So, nagsimula ako kasi meron akong pangarap na gustong tuparin pero ang hirap, ang strict nila. I find this strict kasi nung nag-aaral pa lang ako sa NVQ ko, yung tutor ko, nag-consider siya sa akin na yung English is not my native language. So, okay na yung may slight error yung mga grammar ko. Kasi minsan din yung grammar ko na yung mga spelling din. Kasi, dito kasi sila, chinecheck nila yung spelling, punctuation, and grammar. So, yung spelling minsan na American ko siya, 'di ba iba, may slight difference yung American at yung UK na spelling. So, dito sa access course, hindi talaga sila nag-consider na yung English is not my native language. Kung hindi mo kakayanin, hindi mo makukuha talaga yung grade. So, pinupush ko na lang talaga yung self ko. Minomotivate ko yung sarili ko na nagsimula ako kasi meron akong pangarap na gusto kong tuparin. Pero, hindi madali mga palangga. Gustong-gusto ko na mag-give up, pero yun na nga, iniisip ko na lang kung bakit ako nagsimula. So, anyway, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood and ingat po tayong lahat. Bye! Bye!